Hello student, welcome to digital classes. This video is for class 7. The subject is science and this is the fifth part of the chapter number 8, wind, storms and cyclone. In this chapter I am going to tell you all question answer that is in our exercise A, B, C, D and E. Question number E, you have to do your own. Define the following terms. In this chapter, winds, storms and cyclone, I explained atmosphere, different layer of atmosphere, air exert pressure means atmospheric pressure, drinking through a hollow straw. What causes air pressure? High speed wind accompanied reduced air pressure, movement of air expand on heating, effect of air pressure. Wind currents are generated due to the uneven heating of the earth. Then thunderstorm, cyclone, destruction caused by cyclone, effective measures against cyclone, and the last advanced technology for the cyclone forecasting and warning. Now let us discuss exercise questions. Now I am going to explain all question, then you have to write in your copy. Now let us start with very short answer questions. Answer in one word. The first question is, what does air contain? Air is mostly gas, means air contain gases. The air in the Earth's atmosphere is made up of approximately 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. It contains other gases also like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, neon, etc. It means the answer of this question is air is mostly gas or air contain gases. Now the question number 2. In which part of the atmosphere do we live? Troposphere, the part of the atmosphere in which we live, means the answer is troposphere. Now the next question. What does cloudy sky and wet weather indicate? We already read this. Low pressure is therefore associated with cloudy skies and wet weather, and high pressure is therefore associated with clear and sunny sky. So the answer is low atmospheric pressure. Answer number 3 is low atmospheric pressure. Now the question number 4. What is the calm area at the center of the cyclone called? The calm area at the center of the cyclone called the eye of the cyclone. The answer is complete, but I want to explain little more. Factor like wind speed, wind direction, temperature and humidity contribute to the development of cyclone. The center of a cyclone is a calm area. It is called the eye of the cyclone. Cyclones that develop in the tropical region are different from those of the temperate latitude. It generally tropical cyclones are more powerful than temperate cyclone. Now the next fifth question. How does a tornado look like? A tornado looks like a twisting funnel of air. Now the question number 6. This is one extra question. What is water spout? The answer is a tornado look like a twisting funnel of air. If a tornado forms over the sea, it is known as water spout. Now the question number A. 6 questions has been completed. Now let us start question number B. Now question number B is short answer questions. Answer in 10 to 15 words. Now the first question is, when you drink a soft drink with the help of a straw, what forces the liquid to rise up in the straw? Answer is When liquid is sucked through a hollow straw, the liquid rises into the straw due to the difference in the air pressure inside and outside, and liquid rises into the straw due to the partial vacuum created inside the straw due to sucking. It means the air pressure inside the straw is low and the air pressure above the liquid is high. So high pressure pushes the air from the top and the water rises, or a soft drink rises into a straw. Now the next question: why is warm air lighter than the cold air? Air expands on heating. Due to expansion, it occupies more space or volume. As a result, its density decreases and becomes lighter. Thus, warm air is lighter than the cold air. I think you all have remembered that I will explain one activity within a class, that is the activity number C. If anybody want to check the answer, you can check on the page number 118 and 119. The activity is on page number 118 and the answer is on 119 in the first paragraph. Now, what are tornadoes? These are the storms which form very suddenly on the land. The highest wind speed on the earth occurs in the tornadoes, sometimes reaches 50 km per hour. A tornado looks like a twisting funnel of air. It sucks up anything on its path, including tree, cows, car, drops them when its force decreases. Now the next number, question number 4. Where does the hurricanes occur very frequently? Now the answer number 4. Hurricanes occur frequently in the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean Sea and the Western Pacific Ocean. How does a cyclone alert differ from a cyclone warning? Cyclone warning is issued 24 hours in advance through wireless network, whereas cyclone alert or a cyclone watch is used 48 hours in advance of the expected beginning of the adverse weather over coastal areas. Basically, the cyclone warning is the second stage warning. Now let us start the question number C, long answer type question, answer in 20 and 25 words, but in this the answer may be more than 25 words, maybe around 60 or 70 words, because the answers are little long. Now the first question is, how does atmospheric pressure influence weather? The answer is on 116 page number, you can check, or you can write from there also. Air pressure is important for the following reason: it influences weather. Change in weather are related to the change in the atmospheric pressure. Air movement upward and downward causes due to the difference in pressure creates cloudy and clear skies, being rain or fine weather. Now the next question, how are wind currents generated? Now the answer, wind currents are generated due to the uneven heating on earth. Wind currents are generated due to the uneven heating of the earth. Depending upon the location involved, two situations are possible: uneven heating between the equator and the pole. Equatorial region receive more sunlight during most part of the year. As a result, equatorial region get maximum heat from the sun. Such movement of air to 0 degree from 30 degree latitude and to 30 degree from 60 degree latitude, from warmer to colder, and from the cold to the warmer region give rise to the wind current. The wind current do not move in the north-south direction from the north-south and from south-north. The rotation of the earth about its own axis causes a change in their direction as shown alongside. Now the second, uneven heating of the land and water on the earth. Now the second, uneven heating of the land and water on the earth. Uneven heating of the land and water on the earth also causes wind current. During summer, particularly near equator, the land warms up faster than the water in the ocean. The air over land gets warm and rise up. To fill the space, wind flows from the ocean towards the land. The wind coming from the ocean contains moisture, water vapor, and brings rain. The monsoonal wind carries water and brings rain. During winter, the wind flows from the land to the ocean because the land is cooler. This is the detailed answer, but you have to write only wind current are generated due to uneven heating of earth, and it depends on two possible situations. First, uneven heating between the equator and the pole, and the second, uneven heating of the land and water on the earth. This is the only answer you have to write. Now the next question is, how are thunderstorms formed? Now the answer is, thunderstorms developed in the hot and humid tropical region. Formation of thunderstorm requires the following. One is the moisture, second is the rapid rising warm air, and third is the sea breeze or mountains. Now the fourth question, what is cyclone and how are cyclone formed? This is a little long answer. A small low pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it is called a cyclone. The high speed wind revolve in anti-clock direction in northern hemisphere and in clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. Now the formation of cyclone. The moist air over the sea and ocean gets heated by sun rays. The warm air containing water vapor rises upward and form a low pressure region. The moist warm air gets cooler as it goes higher. As a result, water vapors start condensing. During condensation, heat is released and the air around it gets warm. This warm air rises upward and creating a low pressure region. Cooler air rushes to fill the space created by the rising warm air. This cycle of the event continue till a very low pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it is formed. This is how a cyclone is formed. Now the next fifth question is, mention three damaging effect and three safety measure against cyclone. Answer is on the page number 122 and 123. Destructive caused by the cyclone. Some damage effect of cyclone are and destructive caused by them are given below. First, cyclone pushes water and produce water waves causing flood. The low pressure in the eye of the cyclone lifts water to a height of up to 12 meter. It appears like a wall of the water. This water enters low-lying coastal areas and causes severe loss of life and property. It causes loss of fertility of the soil. High speed wind of the cyclone can damage buildings, telephones, electric system, uproot trees and other destructions. Now, effective safety measure to be taken by the people. People on their part must actively participate in the program towards safety from cyclone. First, people should follow the guidelines provided by the agencies through TV, radio, phone, etc. for their safety against cyclone. If you have sufficient time, shift your essential household goods, domestic animals, etc. to safer places. Do not drive on roads which are underwater. The flood might have damaged the road also. Keep ready the phone numbers of all emergency service, example police, fire, bridges, hospitals, etc. These are the measures to be taken by the people. Now let us do the question number D. Take the odd one out, give reason also. First, troposphere, stratosphere, ozone layer, flying zone of supersonic aircraft. The odd one is flying zone of supersonic aircraft, as others are the layer of the atmosphere. Now the next is reduced atmospheric pressure, high speed wind, cloudy sky, rain and sunny sky. The odd one is rain, as reduced air pressure is related to cloudy sky, high speed wind is related to sky. Now the third question, moisture, rapid rising warm air, mountain, heavy rain, thunderstorm, hurricane. The answer is hurricane, as moisture, rapid rising warm air, mountain, heavy rain, thunderstorm all are related to the thunderstorm. So the hurricane is odd one in this question number 3. Now the next question is cyclone alert, 48 hour, 24 hour, cyclone watch. The odd one out for the question number 4 is 24 hour. Cyclone alert or cyclone watch are given or issued before 48 hour in advance. Now fifth and the last odd one out, tornado, twisting funnel, depression and water spouts. The odd one is depression, as tornado, twisting funnel and water spouts are related to each other. Now I hope everyone can able to write answers by listening through this video. If still has a problem, you can ask within a class to clear your doubt. Everyone can write all answers from A to D, and question number E, define the following term, do by your own. Before writing the answers, you must have to read the chapter once. That makes you easy to write answers.